YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Gibbs and I'm back on your screen, and today is a different kind of video, a video like no other because I've never done a video like this. So I wanted to share with you all what was sent to me. I just got off of work and this is how I wore my hair. I had a little headband on, but I wanted to just bring this to you. I already know, you already seen the title. I was graced with a wig from Love Me Hair. It's an affordable luxury wig line, and they sent me one of their headband wigs, and I want to make sure I say the name right. It is the Jerry Curl Affordable Headband Wig. It's like the trendy new wigs that's going on that'll help you be able to throw a wig on. Now, I wanted to just mention that this is like probably the first time you've seen me wear a wig, or maybe it's the second time, but this is my first wig review here on my channel, and I wanted to do something different, so I was like, yes, let's do this. So they sent me the Jerry Curl wig, and I was like, okay, I didn't get to select what wig I wanted. That's one of the things that I wanted to just mention. I'll get into all the details and all the info and everything. So this is the box that it came in, and it's really nice, packaged nice and everything with a little ribbon. And when you open it up, this is it right here. So inside you receive 2 of their headbands. Yeah, you get 2 of their headbands. You don't necessarily have to wear their headbands, you can wear your own. The unit from Love Me, and y'all see this black. I've never worn black hair before. It's been a long time, so be lenient on your girl. And just a little return and refund info, how to care for your wigs, and just some answers as to everything you need to know about your wig. And then it comes, it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on, Helena, the founder of Love Me Hair. That's cute. Then you have your deluxe wig cap. I also got this cute little, look like a pencil case holder. But inside, and you guys probably noticed before I do. Okay, so I might not do it the way you guys are used to. This is my first time, like I said, but we're gonna learn together. For those of you all who never wore a wig just like myself. So let's see, y'all. Okay, so they sent me a black wig, and I'm trying to see, can I pull this off? I've never worn it. I know you guys are not used to me with black hair, but I thought this was something different outside of the box, so I'm just gonna rock with it. And this is it. It comes with hairnet. Got your little paper, and this is the wig. Now you see this. Okay, the hair feels soft. It feels soft, and this is your band that you put on. Comes with the Velcro. Then we have the combs inside. You get 4 combs, 2, 1 on the front, 1 on the back, and 2 on the side. Right here, like so. Okay, you see, this is the hair that they sent me. Y'all think I could pull it off? I don't know, but this is gonna be fun. This is really gonna be fun. I've seen a few headband wig reviews, and some were really nice. And I think I commented on one person. I'm like, that is really pretty, and it looks like it's fun, it's easy, you can just go out the door, very convenient, no fuss. You just throw that wig on, that cap, and just keep it moving. It sounds real easy, but we're gonna see, you know, we're gonna see how it works. Yeah, I wore this bun to work, right? This bun is all over the place. So what I'm gonna do, I need to take this down. I'm gonna pull my hair all the way back. I'm not gonna braid my hair for this review, but maybe in the future I can. Like I told y'all, I've never worn wigs before, so this is gonna be something. Okay, so I'm gonna pull my hair back. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna pull my hair back and put it in a little ponytail. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to work it. Yeah, but like I was saying, they have so many wigs to choose from. They have a lot of really nice wigs, y'all. Oh. Make sure. How many? Oh, two. Oh, they got two. Y'all see, I ain't never did no wig review. They got 2 caps. I ain't see that yet. Okay, so this is the front and this is the back. I need to tie this hair down because I don't want it to be all over the place. So I'm going to put a little rubber band on the ends. And see what we could do so I can put this Velcro thing on here. Okay. Okay, we got the sides, now we gotta do the back. Okay, to the back. Get this Velcro from sticking to the hair. Okay. And I'm gonna turn around so that you can see. So hopefully I did that right. I'm not sure. Let me get my mirror so that I can see. Okay, so hopefully I did that right. Okay, I'm gonna add a little water because I don't want the edges on my hair to be white. Okay, so now I can take this little thing out. And this is the hair. So take my ring off because we finna try to make it do what it do. I'm gonna take my ring off. I know y'all like, girl, what are you doing? But I am having fun. Okay, so I put this towel on because I'm gonna be spraying my hair because I'm gonna wet it some. And cute. It's kind of thin, but I'm gonna wet it and try to finger curl it out because I don't want to disturb the curl pattern that's in this wig. This is how it looks. Let me tell you guys about the unit really quick before I start styling it. It's the Jerry Curl affordable headband wig, and you can get this, you can get free trendy headbands that comes with it. So the unit that I got is 18 inches and it's beginner and lazy girl friendly. You don't need any glue, you don't need any lace, because I don't know how to do all of that, but I'll probably learn just like everybody else. 0 skills to install within 10 seconds. It's breathable and comfortable. You get the breathable and comfortable headbands. It's affordable pricing. And yeah, I like it. It's cute in my opinion. I mean, I think I can rock this right now. So even with this style, and let me make sure I have the back. Okay. Okay, so I was trying to make sure that I had the back looking a little bit nice for y'all. But yeah, I mean, it looks decent in my opinion. I like it. Tell me what y'all. This is really cute. This is another headband. If you don't like headbands, you can use head scarves. You can use a cute little, I'm gonna just show you guys. But this is another one of their headbands, which is cute and fancy. Now, I kind of prefer it up in my opinion, as opposed to down, but it's cute. I keep on looking at that monitor, but they're really cute. I wet it and I combed out some of the curls because I didn't like that, you know. I like it to look a little bit more big with volume, and I added some of this line of body. Like this is my hair. Yes, it's my hair now, but it's cute. I'm so crazy. Yes, but I think I prefer it up rather than down. Let's see. This little thing, wrap it around. I think I prefer it up. And yeah, I really do like this unit, although this isn't my favorite color, black, but it's growing on me. If you just met me for the first time, you wouldn't have much to say, but since you are so used to me being in blonde, you're probably like, oh, that ain't for you. But hopefully now that I received this wig from Love Me Hair, I can probably review more from their line, something in the blonde family. But yeah, I mean, it's so many styles that you could do, you know. You can do the side going to the laundromat look. If you go to the laundromat, I'm so silly, y'all. I'm just keeping it all the way 100. You can take it off and you can just add like your own. So I'm gonna use this one for instance. You can add something like that and just put it in like a messy ponytail. You can add something like so, and it still covers that band. You could do all kinds, y'all. You can go with the yellow, which is cute, or you can go with the black to cover it up. Do a quick ponytail. I don't like the curls to look dry, so I'll wet it and then I can add some like lot of body or some leave-in conditioner, whatever the case may be. I just don't like that dry look. But yeah, I'm feeling it. What y'all think? Be nice. I take constructive criticism, but you ain't gonna diss me, okay? All right, with that being said, I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to I want to thank Love Me Hair for collabing with me and sending me this here unit to share with you all on this here video. I enjoyed it, and my promo code is GIZ20, and don't forget to do like a updo. Just so many ways you can have fun with it. You can do a bun, all kinds of styles. And make sure that the back of your hair, I'm gonna put some of this Lotta Body on my kitchen, as they say, making sure that my kitchen is slicked down. But I really do like this. At first I was like, I don't know. But I can pull it off. But I think I can pull it off. I don't think I would wear it, like rock it down. It's a little bit different for my liking, but hey, I like it. It's cute. I mean, it's growing on me. I gotta get used to it. So you guys, with that being said, don't forget, if you're interested in shopping with Love Me Hair, yeah, you guys, so if you're interested in shopping with Love Me Hair, don't forget to use my coupon code, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.